How to check touch sensitivity on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Go to the search bar at the bottom right corner and search for a free online touch sensitivity tool by typing touchscreen test. Here, select touchscreen check as shown. Tap to download and then open it. Once the application opens, it will present you with a full-screen interface designed specifically for testing. As the on-screen text explains, the background color will change every single time you touch a part of the screen. This provides a very easy way to verify functionality. The app also displays the total number of touches and the coordinates, allowing you to easily test the entire screen for issues. Following these steps, you can easily check touch sensitivity on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.